Paneer Bhurji is scrambled spiced paneer and it is a famous North Indian breakfast. You can pair it with paratha, bread, or even use it in a sandwich with cheese. It's a very easy recipe and takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. You start by prepping the ingredients. Onion is not a mandate here, but it does add a mild sweetness which always works with paneer. You want to chop the onion very finely so it doesn't stand out and you don't get those chunky bites. Similarly with the tomato, keep it very finely chopped, matching the size of the onion. I used 2 green chili which is finely chopped. You can discard the seed if you don't want it to be spicy and if you want it to be much milder in taste. And of course finely chopped cilantro leaves. Paneer Bhurji tastes best with freshly prepared chena, and I have given link in description below on how to make it. But if you use store-bought, find something of very good quality where you can crumble the paneer block with your hand and you don't need to grate them. I like to prepare Paneer Bhurji in butter and a little bit of oil so the butter doesn't get burnt. You add cumin seeds and green chili and cook it for a few seconds. Then you add the onion, tomatoes and season with salt. You cook for a while to soften it down a little. Next you sprinkle all the spices, and as you can see there are not a lot of spices that goes in. I like to keep it very mild. So you cook it for a few minutes so the spices blend nicely with the onion and garlic. Now you scatter the crumbled paneer and mix it around to incorporate everything. Add cilantro leaves, dried fenugreek leaves and little water and then cook it for a while. Now if you want to make it like a curry with more gravy, then definitely add more water, and you can also add some cream for some extra richness to the curry. At the end, check for salt and serve Paneer Bhurji warm. It tastes best when served fresh. Hope you like this video and give this a try. The recipe link is in description below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.